I've had some of you reach out to me about how do you clean out storage units, because you tend to get one, you keep putting things into it, and then after a bit you've got this giant mess and you don't know how to deal with it. So the first thing I want you to do is figure out, what are you paying for that? How much is it costing you each month? What's that add up to a year? So that as you're going through it, you think to yourself, is it worth me spending this money each month? A typical 10 by 10 unit around me goes for $100 a month. I don't know about you, but I could use that money for groceries. So the thing to do with a storage unit is, don't look at the whole. If you look at the whole project, you're just going to close the door and walk away, which is probably what you've been doing. So what I want you to do is get a couple empty boxes, get them from the liquor store. They're usually giving out boxes. Take a couple trash bags with you and set aside a time when you can go over there for an hour, just an hour. Open the door and just start in one corner. Now, the trick with this is don't pick something up, go, I don't know what to do with this, and carry it to the other side and set it down, because all you're going to do when you get to that side is pick it up and carry it back over here. That's why people get bogged down and can't deal with this stuff. So, pick up an item. Okay, what is this? Is this something I really want? If it's something you really want and you really need, then take it home with you, because you should have a place for it in your home. If you don't have a place for it in your home, then you don't really need it that much. If it's something you think you can sell, and I'm not talking garage sale, don't waste your time with garage sales. That's an awful lot of work to be selling stuff for 50 cents here and there. If it's something you can sell, like to an antique dealer or something, okay, then set that aside. But look at an item. Do I really need this? If I don't need it, then put it in the box to donate it. Do I really want this item? Well, yes, I really want it. Well, where's it going to go in my home? Do I have a space for it? And then you got to figure out, if you don't have a space for it, then how badly do you need it? Do you need it badly enough to spend $100 a month holding on to it? Any trash, because I can tell you from flipping storage units, there's a lot of trash in those storage units. Put the trash in the trash bags. But the trick is, pick something up, pick it up once, make a decision right then and there. Now, that's why you're only going to work for an hour, because chances are that's going to fry your brain. You're going to get to an hour and you're like, I can't do this anymore. So if it's something you really want, you really need, bring it home, figure out where it's going in the house. If it's not something you're going to keep, then put it in a box to donate it. If you can't donate it because it's trash, then put it in a trash bag. The boxes, drop at a donation center on your way home. The trash, take home and throw out. But the trick is just do a little bit at a time, and you will eventually see progress. So stop looking at the whole project and think about, what do they say? How do you eat an elephant? A bite at a time. So that's what you're going to do. And as you're looking at this stuff, think, do I want to spend this much money each month holding on to this stuff? Because if it were really important to you, it'd be in your house. All right? So I hope that helps you to clean out your storage units. That's big business. Too many people have them. It's not that you don't have enough space. It's that you have too much stuff. If you found this video to be helpful, please leave me a comment. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you'll see more of my videos in the future.